Everybody, it's May 1st, 2026, and we're getting ready to go to the beach. So I'll post this after we get back. But before we go, I wanted, since the grandchildren are coming, a 3-year-old and a 1.5-year-old, I want to take the time before we go tomorrow and clean some blocks that I grew up with that I'll play with the kids while we're at the beach, because a couple days it's going to rain in the forecast, so we'll be stuck inside probably. So I'm going to go ahead and clean those blocks. These blocks were, we've had it, my brother and I have had these blocks since the mid 60s. I mean, when we were really little. So I think we have even pictures of the Christmas that we received them. So I'll go ahead and get them here, and they're up here on the shelf. They're in a box from my dad, who passed away in '97. His whole career was spent at the E.N. Dunlap, which was an office supply company. They had they sold A.B. Dick, which is this goes back. This is like 1970s box. But yeah, we have oh my goodness. Here we go. Those are the blocks. Okay. This is really special. I played hours and hours with these blocks. They're very light. They're a lot smaller than I remember. But yeah, play school duffel bag of colored blocks. So yeah, my plan is to use this spray bottle and this cleaning vinegar and some water. Steal some water here. And I'll do one part of the 30% cleaning vinegar. It has lavender scent. It looks like I don't need to add any oil or anything to cut that vinegar smell. But and then one part water, one part cleaning vinegar. I'm gonna use this to spray the cloth really lightly and clean each block and let them air dry. I'll have it on this butcher block paper. We'll let each block air dry. And then to condition the blocks, I'll use butcher block conditioner. It's food grade mineral oil and natural waxes. I'll just put a little light coating of that on it. So yeah, that's my plan. And I'll show some footage of us playing with the blocks. So really excited about this awesome project that means so much to me personally. So thanks for watching. Yeah, this is a organic cleaning method, totally safe for children. So that's it. So I'll get the blocks all ready to go, and I'll line them up to air dry. Box store spray bottle didn't work, so I just used a recycled empty Windex box, or Windex spray bottle. This works so much better. So here we go. Just do a light cleaning. Each side. Yeah, this will just take a while. I'll just listen to some podcasts, and I'll bring you back whenever I have everything wiped down. So yeah, that's how I'm going to do it. Okay, I had to stop here. I just finished cleaning a block, and I remember this. My brother wrote his name on this block. David. Isn't that awesome? That's got to be close to 60 years old. Okay, I'm making progress, but still have a lot more to go. Okay, I've wiped down everything. It took a while, but just listen to podcast. And the next thing is just to let it all dry, and I'll come back later in the day, and I'll use this butcher block conditioner. Make sure that everything is nice and smooth for the toddlers, and I'll put it as much as I can. I'll put the colored blocks in the bag as much as I can, and then these non-colored blocks I'll just leave in the box, and we'll take it to the beach and have lots of fun. What I'll do is I'll put this on because it looks like it's kind of moist and wet, but I'll put this on, let it sit, and then I'll take another rag and wipe it off. But this will condition the wood a little bit after that 55-year hiatus. So I'll keep doing this till I'm done. It's a lot of blocks. I'm glad that we have this many. Make a lot of fun little structures with this, with the kids, like I used to when I was their age. Last block. Okay, I'm done with the first application of the butcher block conditioner. I'll let that soak in for a couple hours. I'll come back through and use a clean side and wipe off any excess conditioner, and we'll be done. Good play. We're all here at the beach.
Operations job.
It's overcast, but hopefully tomorrow it'll be nicer. Can you build a house? Or how about a house with a road next to it? the cities.
You just dry it.